In the name of Allah, the most gracious, beneficent, and ever merciful, the omnipotent, present, and the master of the day of judgment, and what not. A warm welcome and heartily Assalamu alaikum to everyone gathered here in this pleasant morning assembly. Today it's me, Afaq Ahmed, standing in front of you to conduct today's morning assembly on the theme respect. Our admiring behavior towards someone is called respect. It is one of the steps towards success. It owes a great manner which determines our nature and behavior. So friends, let's start our assembly program. A new day means new start. So let's start our day with the greatest name of Almighty Allah. As we all know that we all are Muslims, and Muslims start their day with the holy verse of Holy Quran. So close your eyes and sit obediently for listening the holy verse of Holy Quran. So for recitation, I invite here Usman Ahmed from class 8. Please come and recite the holy verse of Holy Quran. Prophet Muhammad said, "Whoever sends blessing upon me, all the angels send mercy upon him." Naat is an Arabic word which means literally praise. In Urdu, Naat means praise of Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. A poem with praise of Prophet Muhammad is also called Naat in Urdu. And we all know that our assembly is incomplete without praising our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him. So for Naat, my call goes to Usman Ahmed from class 4. Please come and recite Naat in your melodious voice. A companion said to Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, in which thing is respect? So the Hazrat Muhammad said, be satisfied with what Allah has given you. Allah will grant you respect. So friends, let's move forward. Saying of Prophet Muhammad are called hadith. So for hadith, I invite here Jahangir Ahmed from class 5th. Please come on the dais. Respect is a mirror. The more you show it to other people, the more it will reflect back on you. Now for English speech, I would like to invite here Rakeem Ahmed from class 3rd. Please come and deliver your speech on respect. Respect yourselves, you will be respected. General knowledge is the key of success and an important aspect in our daily life. It helps us to know the thing which is happening around our surrounding. So for GK questions, my call goes to Hamad Ahmed from class 9th. Please come on the stage. Respect is not imposed nor begged, it is earned. Now for Urdu speech, I would like to invite her Furqan Ahmed from class 5th. Please come and deliver your speech. Respect is for those who deserve it, not for those who demand it. Now, for rhyme, my call goes to Ismail from class 4. Please come on the dais. Respect for ourselves guides our moral, respect for other guides our manners. At last, I invite her Mrs. Chairman Sir Ahmed. Please come on the stage. At last, I want to say that we must give respect to others. Inshallah, we will overcome. So friends, this morning assembly has been completed. Thank you for paying attention and have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.